Filter in here. Where's your filter?
In here. I didn't say there was a filter in there. Anyway, hey guys, how are you doing? What is new? I got some V8 guys to work on the car now, and he already has told me what I was doing wrong. And he's critiquing my work.
we got some cross-threaded threads in here.
So we're gonna get the JB weld out. And he says it's not leaking oil, burning oil, it's leaking gas, which is good.
It's definitely pulling fuel from somewhere.
So apparently we have to rebuild, take the carb off and see what's going on. He says my secondaries are dumping fuel in at idle, which is bad, which means I screwed up something. I'm guessing it's those two little needles, but we'll see. Oh. It's running a lot better than it did though, and that's what I'm happy with. I'm going to take this hood off. Alright, well I guess I'm rebuilding another carburetor. My carburetor person is not happy with the carburetor that I made and built and put all that time and effort into. So now I'm going to build this other carburetor that looks, I guess, better. And then if it doesn't work, it's getting an LS. I just finished rebuilding the carb, as you've seen in the last video. I started the car, it leaked fuel everywhere, ran extremely rich, and it told me that apparently the carburetor was incorrectly put together and there was something wrong with it. Wanted me to replace the main body of the carburetor. So I did. So this one should run, but I did do it myself, so chances are it won't run. But who knows, I might get lucky. Since last video, I've been extremely busy. As you know, I went camping and there wasn't going to be much car stuff, although I ended up having to spend one day redoing a starter for my uncle, and my wife had bought me this awesome floaty that's a NASCAR, which was really, really cool and fun to play with. And now I'm back to the Biscayne and getting it running again. So here's the carb, all rebuilt with the other carb body. So this one should not leak, or may not leak. I got to get this Biscayne started and running and get it out of the way, because that garage is coming down in about 2 or 3 weeks, or 2 or 3 days, and I need this out of the way desperately to move everything around, prepare for it. All right, let's bolt her down and see what happens. Okay, it looks like it should be able to start. I don't see any more vacuum leaks, potential vacuum leaks. Let's see if we can kill some mosquitoes. It's getting fuel. I like it good so far. It's not smoking out the neighborhood. It's not smoking out the neighborhood. It's running. It seems to be starving itself for fuel. Doesn't appear to be leaking. Alright, this car is beating me to a pulp. Still can't get the motor to run on all 8 cylinders. Now I'm being told it might be a push rod, so I should take off the valve covers and see if there's any bent rods, see if I'm even using all of my valves. But I gotta get working on the body too. So I think the next video I'm gonna start putting up on jack stands, start blowing apart the body, start working on the rust in the rockers. So, until then, like and share and subscribe, and you'll see me in the next video.